They are all the rage on the West Coast and gaining in popularity right here in Central Virginia. They are Maple Bacon Donuts, and one local pastry shop with a long history in Lynchburg is hoping you'll come and taste this delicious treat for yourself. Here's Irene with the Sunny Kitchen.
What we have going on now that's new is the Maple Bacon Donut, which you'll see right here. It's here by popular request. We've looked all over for a maple glaze we were happy with, and we tried making our own. We'd sampled a bunch, and we're just not satisfied with the quality. So we finally found one that is really good, and we've got the bacon on top, or we have the plain maple if that's what you like. And it's a really popular donut, and believe it or not, it really is good.
I believe it. I cannot wait to try it. It's going to be good. And I don't know if the camera's going to really do this justice. Folks really have to come in and see it themselves. There are bacon sprinkles right on top of that maple right there. That's a perfect breakfast, I think.
Oh, I hadn't even thought about that, but sure, why not?
Bacon, maple, donuts, pastries, that kind of thing. And of course, as usual, you have all kinds of pastry options as well. Your cream puff very popular?
Oh, very popular. That's probably, the hottest seller in our entire store is the cream puff.
I don't know. Maple bacon may overtake it.
You never know. But Bill was really famous for his cream puffs, and we've found that continues.
You're carrying on that tradition.
That's right. That's what people really want. They really like the cream puffs. Lynchburg is really a cream puff town.
Cream puff town. That's good. Well, I want to turn to Rusty over here because he's one of your regulars, if you will, over here. And Rusty, it's funny because I remember you the first time I came in to do a segment with Sunny Kitchen. I remember your face. You come in quite a bit in here.
Yeah, I'm here 2 to 3 days a week. I'm a sales rep for Mid-Atlantic Printers in Altavista, Virginia, and I basically cover from Danville to Charlottesville. So when I buy product here, I'm buying it to take to my customers to show that I appreciate their business. And every time I take something to my customers, they want to know where I got it, because the product is just so delicious that they love it and they want to know where it came from. So
you were telling me not only is everything here delicious, which it is, and I know this for a fact, but the fact that you come in here and it's the same folks every time, the same family here every time to greet you.
That means a lot, and also that when you walk through the door, they greet you by name. You know, they call me by name when I come in, and it's such a great idea to do business with a family. Sure. You know, I'm not just doing business just with Irene. I'm doing business with Irene and Truman's family, and that's really it's special.
Well, it really is a family affair, and let me tell you, every time you walk in here and the kids are running around, and they're just really, it really is a family affair. I'm not kidding, and that's one of the things that I know you're very proud of, because there are donut shops all over the area, but there's nothing quite like this. You really bring the family aspect to it.
We really do, and how that started is about 3 years ago. I was a homeschooling mom of 7, and I started kind of as a sideline. My girls and I started baking for just a local feed mill there in Amherst. Believe it or not, the baked items sold at a feed mill, and from there we expanded into other locations in other towns, and within a year and a half or so we badly outgrew our home inspected kitchen and looked for a retail outlet, and that's when we heard about Bill's Pastry Shop being available. So here we are.
So here you are, you've taken over, you're carrying on that delicious tradition that he started, and you're going above and beyond, because you're not only is everything good, but you're also bringing your little twist to it, to some of the recipes, which are delicious, and bringing the kids. I love seeing the kids at work, let me tell you.
You're right. Bringing our own little twist to it is a good way to say it, because we debated for a long time, should we keep the name Bill's Pastry Shop, or should we bring in our own name, The Sunny Kitchen? And so we asked our customers. We thought, well, we'll ask Lynchburg themselves, and a lot of people recommended that we allow the past to be wonderful, but become who we are.
And let me tell you, I know the shelves look a little bit bare, but they sell them faster than they can make them. I mean, it's just, they're that good, and the Maple Bacon Donut is excellent. If you know where Wendy's on Memorial Avenue is, it's a street right across from Wendy's, very easy to find. You can check them out on Facebook or give them a call at 434, they do take special orders, 528-8585. Great family business right there.